I'm starting an inside rolling turn. I need to find a 45 degrees reference on the horizon. Then I start with left rudder, left aileron and backstick pressure. From here, I will release the left rudder pressure and aim to be at knife edge when I reach a point 22 degrees off the original axis. I will switch to right rudder, aiming to be inverted with the cowling slightly low on the horizon at the 45 degrees point. Then I start to push while using right rudder and keeping left aileron, aiming to be at knife edge at the 67 degrees point. And from here I release the right rudder pressure, still pushing forward on the stick. And switching to left rudder now, aiming straight and level flight with the side pitcher at 90 degrees from the original axis.